Hunting isn't a hobby for you. It's a passion that resides in your heart and your soul. It's something you look forward to, something you enjoy every minute of. That's why when you hunt, you need a shotgun that's going to deliver. A shotgun that you can rely on time and time again. A gun that can be passed down for the generations. Introducing the Impala Plus line of shotguns. Manufactured in Turkey using a combination of time-honored craftsmanship and state-of-the-art CNC machining technology, the Impala Plus line provides sportsmen with a level of handling, performance, durability, and features usually found on more expensive guns. Features like an inertia-driven system with a patented 6-lug rotary locking bolt, chrome-coated outside and turn and remove bolt handle, TruGlow fiber optic sights, Invector Plus choke tubes, and a removable comb riser. With 24 different models to choose from, including multiple configurations and colors, the Impala Plus line has something to offer every sportsman. Whether it's waterfowl, turkey, upland hunting, or skeet shooting, you can count on Impala Plus shotguns to perform. Learn more at ImpalaPlusShotguns.com.